Josh here from your team at JC Installs. Going to talk to you about this Rockford Fosgate amplifier here. One of the things we see a lot of is people that want a better audio system. They say, oh, I really want it to sound heaps better. So they go and buy new speakers. Changing the speakers in the car, sometimes it really can help. However, other times it's kind of just like adding a little bit of sugar in your coffee. All it does is sweeten it up a little bit. Now that's fine if that's what you're after, but if you want to really impact your listening experience, we add more power. Think Tim the Toolman Taylor. Your standard head unit, if you're driving, let's say a 2003 Nissan, your factory head unit in there might be giving you up to 10 watts RMS if you're really lucky. So then you upgrade the stereo. Your new stereo is good for 22 RMS, maybe 25 if you've got yourself a really good one. That's a really big improvement. But not if you really want some volume and some good sound out of it. We look at throwing a beast like this in. At 50 RMS, we give a lot of power to the speakers. Suddenly they'll start throwing bass that you never knew was possible out of those speakers. This is something we do a lot of. And look at the size of it. So this amp is really cool because we can put it nearly anywhere. It can run on speaker level input. So if you've got a factory stereo that can't be changed, we can still put it in most of the time. Come and talk to us. This is also still has your RCA input, so we can run it to an aftermarket head unit. It doesn't use huge power cable and it's not hugely thirsty on your battery's power. So we can really get a cool sound by simply adding a small amplifier like this. The Rockford PBR 400 X4D. It's a mouthful, but it's worth it.